Let's take a look at a signature suite on board the Star Princess. This is room 16608, and with the medallion class, when you walk by your room, it unlocks, which is cool. So as you enter the room, you'll notice you have a pretty long hallway here. Queen size bed. I think that's maybe a 60-inch TV. I'm not sure exactly. But you get a little working desk, an area to get ready at night. You get the coffee maker, which is cool. They do fully stock that. You get regular coffee and decaf and all the creamers. With this room category, on day one you get an initial one-time bar set up. And when we got to the room, there was a bottle of this white something. I'm not going to drink that. I don't like white. We got a red blend from Spain. Might try that. And then a Sauvignon Blanc, which is was chilling on ice. The ice melted. Probably not going to drink that either, but hey, nice gesture. That's cool. You get 3 bottles. And then they also hooked us up in the fridge here. And these are complimentary, which is neat. I didn't know. I thought this was a mini bar that you had to pay for, but no. My room attendant said these are ours. A couple of Diet Cokes, regular Cokes, some waters. We got 2 Coors Lights. Another Sauvignon Blanc. I ain't drinking that. And a bubbly. Might do that. Some mimosas. They gave us a couple of these too. That's a sparkling tequila. A couple of Sun Cruiser iced teas. And this is interesting. That's like a bourbon. Sparkling bourbon. Interesting. I'm going to drink that. So that's cool. It's all complimentary. As you walk into this seating area, there's another television, same size as the other one by the bed over here. And this is like your own little private room if you want, because what you can do, there's a curtain. You can close it off and have your own little room here to watch television and lounge on that sofa. And here is the balcony. Balcony has 2 chairs, a table, and there are 2 ottomans that go with it right here too. So you can sit there and just look at the ocean while you're enjoying your suite. So let's head back in and look at the bathroom. I guess we can look at the closets too. Plenty of room. In fact, we've not even used this entire section. But you have a his and her closet. They give you the slippers. You also get robes. Both of ours are hanging up at the moment. But there's the her side. You get a safe, some life jackets. I hope we don't need those. But plenty of drawer space. In fact, you have drawer space over here next to the bed as well. One of the things I thought was cool was this reading light. I don't read, but it's a cool thing to have. All right, let's make our way to the bathroom. There's the other got your own thermostat. Here's the robes, by the way. So the bathroom is a little bit bigger than most cruise ship bathrooms. You have your full area there, vanity, and the shower itself is really big. And we've enjoyed that shower. That's nice. So all in all, this is really a great cabin. We like this room category, and hopefully you will too. Thanks for watching.